5 intense workout routines that you can combine with a healthy diet to lose weight. Hey, this is Waysandhow, and in this video you are going to learn about 5 different workout routines that you can do from home to lose a lot of weight when combined with a healthy diet. Each workout routine has at least 2 to 3 exercise regimens that you can do for just 15 minutes daily to lose weight. Watch now to learn more. In general, a healthy diet is enough to shed your excess pounds. However, adding regular exercise to your weight loss efforts will lead to faster and more significant fat reduction. The best part is that you don't even have to spend hours exercising. Rather than long workouts, you can engage in short but vigorous exercise that will bring the same or even better results. Following are 5 intense workout routines that you can combine with a healthy diet to lose weight. Each workout is meant to be completed as a circuit. Select one workout per day and repeat the included exercises until you've completed at least 15 minutes of continuous intensive training. Workout 1. Jog in place. Stand upright with your feet close together. Alternately lift your feet as if jogging, but with no forward motion. Continue jogging in place as fast as you can for 30 seconds. Jump squats. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your buttocks to form a proper squat. Hold your lowest position for 2 seconds before jumping up as high as you can. As your feet hit the floor, lower yourself back down into a squat. Repeat continuously and in a smooth motion 10 times. Mountain climbers. Lay face down on a mat. Hold yourself up with both palms and your toes on the mat. Make sure your elbows are straightened or only slightly bent. Bend your left knee and tuck it towards your chest. Straighten your leg back to your original position before doing the same for the other leg. Pick up your pace and alternate between both sides as fast as you can. Repeat until you've completed 30 or 15 per side. Workout 2. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet close together and your arms resting at your sides. Jump up with your feet apart while swinging your arms overhead. Go back to your starting position before repeating the same exercise for a total of 30 counts. Burpees. Start with a neutral standing position. Lower your palms to the floor about shoulder width apart. Kick your feet out and straighten your legs so you end up in a high plank position. Perform a push-up by lowering your body and pushing yourself back up. Kick your feet back in towards your hands to be able to stand and jump up. Repeat the exercise 10 times. Forearm plank. On a mat, hold yourself up with your forearms and toes. Keep your entire body stiff, just like a plank. Hold your position for 30 seconds. Workout 3. Front lunges. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart and rest your hands on your hips. Take a large step forward with your right leg and lower your entire body until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Hold your lowest position for a second before going back to your original position. Repeat the same movement with the left leg. Keep alternating between sides until you've completed 30 in total or 15 per side. Squat thrust. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Squat down and lower your palms to the ground right in front of your feet. Kick your feet back so you end up in a high plank position. Kick your feet back in towards your hands. Stand back up and repeat the exercise 10 times. Plank jacks. Lie face down on a mat. Hold yourself up in a high plank position. Your body should be raised off the mat, held up with only your toes and both palms below your shoulders. Make sure your arms are straightened out. Kick your feet out on both sides, making sure to keep your upper body steady. Kick your feet back in to meet in the middle. Keep kicking in and out until you've completed 30 reps. Workout 4. Side lunge to touch. Stand with your feet greater than shoulder width apart. Bend your right knee and shift your body to touch your right foot with your left hand. Hold your lowest position for a second before shifting back to your original standing position. Do the same exercise for the other side. Keep alternating between both sides until you've completed 30 reps or 15 per side. Backward lunge with front kick. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Take a large step backward with your right leg and lower your body into a lunge. Hold your position for a second before coming back up. When you come up, kick the same leg forward. Go back to your starting position and repeat the exercise 15 times. Do the same with the left leg. Lateral plank walks. Stand in front of the long side of a mat. Lower yourself so your palms are on the mat and your toes are touching the ground. From your starting position, make sure that your palms are around shoulder width apart. Move your left palm closer to the right and do the same with your feet. Move your right palm further away so your palms and feet are shoulder width apart again. Repeat the movement until you're at one end of the mat. Do the same towards the other direction until you get to the other end of the mat. Continue with the exercise until your 30-second timer runs out. Workout 5. Toe touches. Stand upright with your feet close together. Extend your arms out in front of you with your palms facing down. Kick your right foot up to touch your right palm. Lower your feet back down and do the same for the left side. Keep alternating your kicks between both sides until you've completed 30 reps in total or 15 per side. Reverse crunches. On a mat, lie on your back with your knees bent, thighs perpendicular to the mat, and feet raised from the floor. Keep your hands at each side of your head, touching your ears. Simultaneously lift your upper body and your thighs so your elbows and knees meet close to your chest. Lower your body and extend your legs back to its original position. Repeat 15 times. Explosive push-ups. Lie face down on a mat. Hold yourself up with your toes and both palms face down on the mat right below your shoulders. As swiftly and powerfully as you can, push your body up so your hands jump off the mat. When you come back down, lower yourself back to your original position. Repeat until you've completed 10 explosive push-ups. These 5 intense workout routines that you can combine with a healthy diet to lose weight may seem difficult at first, but persevere and try your best to complete the exercises. Over time, you'll find that the routines are easier, and you get to complete them more quickly. The best part is that these are designed specifically to give you both cardiovascular and strength training at the same time, so you won't just have less fat, but more toned muscles as well. Combined with a proper diet, you have a perfect recipe for an impressively healthy body. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.